Hello everyone, this is Ricky from Pumps channel and welcome to the amazing world of pumping. Today I will help you to select a Italian stainless steel Lowara pumps using the software selection tool Xylect, Xylem's Xylect. You can Google it, type Xylect, choose your country, then you can select your language. I will use English. You can register or not. We will start sizing. I will use metric units. Lowara has a lot of types and model of pumps. You can size a water pump like a small end suction pumps, CEA, or multi-stage vertical pumps like SV, or bigger end suction pumps like SH or NSC. Or small multi-stage pumps like HM, and submersible borehole pumps like GS and 6Z or Z6. It's the same. Let's size flow rate of 20 cubic meters per hour and 30 meters of total head. View the results. Now you can see the model type, 3-phase, 4 poles, 3 kilowatts of rated power, 76 hydraulic efficiency. Let's choose this one. Here you have the performance curve, the system curve here, 32 meters to 20.8 cubic meters per hour. Here you have the drawings. You can download this PDF or the DWG drawings. You can see the dimensions and the pump weight. You have some description here of the specifications. It has a squirrel cage in short circuit, enclosed construction with external ventilation motor, protection class IP 55, insulation class F, (3 kilowatts), mechanical seal in silicon carbide, EPDM, has other types of seals if you prefer, if you need. Here you can see the pump materials. You have other options. You can see the technical brochures here. And the life cycle costs. If you go to configure, you can choose the type of installation, the rated voltage, two types of pump material, 340 or 316 stainless steel. You can choose the shaft seal and the seal materials. In this analyze, you can change the duty point and see how the pump works with variable frequency. If you have 40 Hertz or 60 Hertz. Here you have the option to preview the information and download it. It's very useful. Thank you. See you.